Page 12, Quadrille. 3/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale at least 1 octave up and down. It has a pickup beat. Let's go over the hands one at a time. Make sure we got the notes and the fingering and the rhythm and all that. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're mostly quarter notes with a few half notes here and there. So it's 3-1. 3-1 and 2 and 3-1-2. To start, as usual, I'm going to connect everything. We'll do the staccatos later. So here, 3-1 and 2 and 3-1-2. So we're sort of in this position, aren't we? Okay, whatever the music needs, that's what we do. Measure 9. Now reach up. Second finger's got to come up one. And the 4, 5. So we're in this position. Then reach down, back where you were. Left hand. We got all these chords in the left hand. You got the C chord or the 1 chord. And you got the 5/7 chord, the G7 chord. Usually it's this, except now instead of the B we're using the D. We can use either one, whatever. So here it's a D and the C chord. That's really all the left hand's doing, is these chords. Put it together. The idea? It's rather heavy in the left hand. We're going to have to deal with that. Let's do the articulation. We got staccatos. It slurs you down, up, and as you down, up, the up part is a staccato this time. Now we would still want to hear the natural accent, which is the first beat of a measure. We want to hear that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So feel that natural accent. In the left hand, the first measure is staccato, and then after that it says sempre staccato, which means always, sempre, always staccato, which means keep doing the staccatos. All of these quarter notes in the left hand are staccato. And the only thing that's not would be the half notes, and they have a tenuto line. That means hang on to them, linger on them. The right hand has a tenuto too. So and I recommend a light wrist staccato if you can. If that gets tiring for you, you got to use an arm. The problem is this has to be soft. I put my hands on the keys each time I bounce off, and I put my hands back on the keys before I play the next note. So I'm not doing this. I don't recommend that. If you have time, always start on the keys and do it. Because if you do it from above, you're going to get loud. It's got to be really soft. It's about as soft as you can play it. That mezzo forte, that's for the right hand. Keep the left hand really soft. So forth. Then measure 9, you're soft in the right hand. Keep the left hand very soft throughout. And then pick up to measure 13, you're loud. That's louder than you were at the beginning. Keep this left hand soft. Allegretto, again, it's between moderato and allegro. It's between medium and it's sort of fast. It's the feel of it. What do you feel is a... I think it's somewhere in there. play this with you very slowly to double check the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. I won't do any dynamics, but I will do the staccatos, and we will do the repeats. So I'll give us 2 counts. I'm going to go ready, go. That's 2 counts. And then we go. Ready, go. Repeat. Two.